The All Wales COVID-19 Workforce Risk Assessment tool remains a significant tool in our armoury to keep our workforce safe throughout the pandemic. I have been so impressed with the astounding amount of effort shown in developing and rolling out both the testing and vaccine strategies in Wales, but there is still some way to go before we get closer to the light at the end of this long, dark tunnel. The vaccine gives us hope, but we cannot be complacent. New strains are spreading in Wales and the danger remains very real and very serious. The vaccine will protect you from becoming seriously ill as a result of COVID-19, and emerging evidence shows the vaccine may help reduce transmission, but no vaccine is 100% effective, so there is still a risk of people catching and passing on the virus. We have all seen the devastating effects of the pandemic, and I'm so grateful to social care staff and other key workers who've made huge sacrifices to help those most vulnerable. We still need to protect those people and ourselves by doing everything we possibly can. The risk assessment tool, it's easy to use, it signposts practical help and solutions, and above all, it's an effective way to help keep people safe. So in conclusion, even if you have done so before, even if you've had one or both doses of your vaccine, please take just a little bit of time to check your risk. Together, we'll keep our workforce safe. Diolch yn fawr.